Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today we are going to make meatloaf with my friend Tony from the Clay Cooper Theater. He'll be here in just a little bit and we'll get started. It's going to be delicious.
Here we go.
Happy Friday, everyone.
Can you believe Friday?
Finally Friday.
Oh, thank you,
We love
Lord.
Friday.
We love Friday. Apron on. Don't that look
Your
good?
wife's going to start expecting you to cook.
No way, Jose. Not on your life.
Well,
No.
so today we are going to make something that I know Wayne loves. Is he working today?
He's not, but if I call him and tell him we got it, we can. I bet he'll
He
show
told me
up.
he loves meatloaf.
Oh, meat?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're making meatloaf.
Why ain't nothing? Shoot. Right here, child. This is where it's going, right here.
Either, but yeah. So they
Homemade
asked us about
onion
this.
rings.
Yeah,
What?
they said, when are you doing another video? I said, Brother Tony is
Brother?
coming. Brother Tony is coming. They laughed at me.
I'm going to bring my Bible in here one day. Lay it right
But you
here.
know what? That's what I always call. Didn't you do that growing up? You
Oh,
called
yes. Everybody, brother, sister.
Yeah.
And
Isn't
people
that
would look at us like,
Yeah.
man, y'all got a big
I
family.
know, right?
Which really and truly, we got a big family. But people will say, what do I need to call you? I say, my mama calls me Tony, so that's a good thing to do. So
Yeah.
Tony works.
But all of our preachers, you know, Brother Winkle had Brother Winkle, Brother Hogue. Yeah, all.
Brother, yeah. Oh, I had
Brother
many brothers.
Davis. Oh my gosh, Brother Davis. He would get so excited.
Really? That's me.
He would take off running around the church.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, it was great.
Now, we're making
Meatloaf.
homemade meatloaf
Homemade
today.
meatloaf.
Oh,
This is my
Jesus.
meatloaf.
The rooster and the chickens got up this morning. We have our one egg remaining. And
Now
then,
this is so easy. This is such an easy.
peasy.
Yeah, easy peasy meatloaf recipe.
Mm-hmm.
So what you're going to do, I usually do about 2 pounds of hamburger meat. This is actually sirloin though, because they
That's
didn't
the good
have
stuff.
yeah, they didn't have the low fat. You know what I mean? I
No
like
fat,
it
nothing.
because when it bakes, it gets all greasy
Oh,
in the pan.
okay,
So
so it
I
keeps it
try to
greased.
get
I
the
got you.
lean, but they didn't have they didn't have lean. So I went ahead and got this sirloin. So this is about 2 pounds of sirloin.
2 pounds of sirloin.
And
Now-
I do have some gloves in here for you
Yes,
if you'd
I
rather
want
have
them.
gloves.
I do.
Usually kind of keep those
Here.
hidden away.
Okay. Here, these
And I'm
gloves
gonna-
scare me.
And I'm going to open this up.
Okay.
This is crushed tomatoes.
Crushed
and
tomatoes.
to 2 pounds of hamburger meat, I use one of these big cans of the crushed tomatoes.
I have a question.
Yes.
Could we use like ground chuck? Would
Oh,
that
yeah.
would be one to
Oh,
use?
yeah, you can use whatever you
Because
like.
I hear my wife sometimes talking about ground beef, ground chuck. She'll say, stop by, pick us up. And she won't say ground beef, ground chuck because it's kind of whatever it does more. It
So
tastes
they
better.
have like 70, 30, 80,
Oh.
20, 90, 10. So I tend, for meatloaf and meatballs, I like to get the lean.
Lean,
Just because
okay.
it's too
Not as greasy. I get you.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right, so
So-
to our mixture here, to our hamburger meat here,
Uh-huh.
this is what we're going to do. This is my secret
Oh,
ingredient.
what is that? Let me
This
see.
is McCormick meatloaf.
Oh, mix up stuff.
Love
oh.
this stuff. So
Uh-huh.
one
McCormick.
package, yeah. It's perfect. It's the perfect, yeah. It's just perfect.
McCormick, if you'd like to endorse
Yeah,
us,
if you'd like to endorse
we
us,
would,
McCormick.
we would welcome you aboard.
So to 1 package to 2 pounds of hamburger meat.
Mm-hmm.
And then we are going to use a little salt. This is
Little salt.
kosher salt. I love kosher salt. So just kind of measure with
You
my
didn't
heart.
measure that, did you?
There you go.
Just enough? That's
just
exactly how
enough.
much you need,
That's exactly
folks.
how much you need.
Just about that much.
Yep.
Point.
And then I keep these in the freezer.
What is that?
All right. So this is, you can buy these in your frozen section.
Like just onions and stuff already cut
It's
up? Then
onions,
you don't have to
peppers,
cry.
red pepper. Yes, it's
Onions
onions,
make you
peppers,
cry.
and red peppers and green peppers. You can buy these in the frozen section and where the vegetables are. And I always keep these because this is what makes it easy.
See? Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
So I've already used a little bit of that.
Right,
So I'm going to say
wow. Oh, look.
I like lots of this in my meatloaf. So we'll
yes.
do. I'm going to
Whatever
say
you
that's
want.
about a cup.
I would say
So-
that's right on it.
Yep. And then I'll have this for the next time.
Mm-hmm.
And then this right here is, let me see, 28-ounce can. So that's a pretty
Crushed
big
tomatoes.
Pretty big can.
Tomatoes.
And we're going to do half of this can.
So is tomatoes a fruit or a vegetable?
Tomatoes is a fruit.
That's what I'm hearing.
It is a fruit, yes.
So
Did you
we
not
use
know?
half of that can?
Yeah, half for
Okay.
now. Half for now.
Half for now, okay.
I'm going to crack an egg.
Egg.
1 egg. This is a farm egg.
Look at you.
So-
You did that with one
Oh,
hand.
yeah. You know where I learned that?
Uh-uh.
Carolyn Ingalls off of Little House on the Prairie.
She does it like that?
She does it like that, yeah.
I would have it
As soon as I love Little House on the Prairie. One of my favorite shows. And I know we're jibber jabbering a lot. I gotta tell you, Brother Tony. I had a comment the other day that said, quit jibber jabbering and just tell us the recipe.
People don't like us to talk. Who are you out there?
I know, right? And I said, I'm a jibber jabberer. I want to talk.
I jibber jabber in my sleep.
Right, me too. Yeah. So I just want to say, if you don't like the jibber jabber, there's this thing you can do when you're looking on. When you're like, you go like this with your finger.
And it cuts the jibber jabber?
No, you just scroll past us.
Oh!
Yeah, just scroll like that.
Funny.
You can also use saltine crackers crushed up. You can use breadcrumbs, but I like to use quick oats.
What?
Yep, I just use quick oats to help me bind this up. And I'm going to say we're going to do about...
Because I've heard of the crackers and I've heard of but quick oats.
And yeah.
That's another secret.
Right. Yeah, so have at it. Have at it. Just
get in here and mix it like this.
Get in there and mix it.
Oh my Lord.
Anoint it.
Here we are. We love you, Steph. I've heard of. Look at my gloves.
They're coming off.
I know. I've heard of people talk about meatloaf, and then just before it got done, they put cheese on top. Have you ever heard of that?
I have heard of that. Yeah. But I don't do that.
Me neither.
All right, it's okay. It's okay. You're still doing great.
I don't want to get my fingers in there. Look, people.
Now my hands are clean.
My gloves have runneth over.
I have had people ask me,
Now that's funny
but
right
you're not
there.
Eating it, so
I really don't have fingers this long.
That's funny.
Here we go.
I'm going to help you out.
All right.
So I'm going to help you out. So what we're going to do, and my hands are clean. I'm just
believe you.
A lot of people say, "Oh, you didn't wash your hands," but
yes,
they're not eating it. They're not eating it.
Lord,
it's not. Doesn't matter.
What does the heat do to it? It takes away all the calories. Right. It takes away all the sugars, and all you got to do is just.
So I'm putting it in this little to-go pan like this. But usually, what I do is I take the sides. Whoops. And I'll just make a little.
Kind of build like a little.
Make a little loaf.
And that's where the loaf comes from.
Make a loaf, or you can do two.
What am I learning
you can do two
today?
loaves. You could do it like this. Cut it right down the middle there.
Look,
and you've got
and
two
then
loaves.
when it's cooked, then you just cut it and go.
Yeah. Then you make your little...
One for me, one for you.
Right, just
That's
like
what
that.
that is. Okay.
Okay, now what we're going to do, let me wash my hands off.
Okay, do I need to...
You take the rest of my pan and
now
just
that's what makes some of that juice just continue to...
Pour it right over the top.
Oh my gracious.
And then you just spoon it out, just like this.
Wow.
And of course, a lot of people like ketchup on their meatloaf, and I do too. So after that...
Even after the tomatoes?
Yes. So I just do this. I just make a little zigzag.
Just zigzagging with ketchup.
Zigzag. And then...
Nothing fancy about this either.
No.
A little more.
And then I'm just going to do this right on the top. A little pepper right on top.
Looky there. And a little salt. Now, how long does this cook?
Okay, we're going to cook this at 375 for 1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour. Yep.
So... that's a pretty good long time.
It is, I know.
But once in the oven right now, here we go.
Magically.
It happened. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't split this
beautiful.
one up. But yeah, look at that.
Look at that one. That one's for me and the other one's for you.
Okay, we're going to give it a taste.
We're giving it a taste.
Okay.
What's the matter with you, child? Don't even ask that question. You know we got a taste.
All right, here we go. This is going to be so scrumptious.
Delicious.
You're gonna like it. I love a meatloaf sandwich. Oh,
thank you.
I love a meatloaf
I knew
sandwich.
you was a Southern girl.
I love me a meatloaf.
People,
look at that.
Oh, wait a minute.
Look at that.
People don't understand about sandwiches around here.
I'm a big sandwich
Are you
fan.
a Miracle Whip girl?
No, I like regular.
Me too. Has anybody ever had blue plate mayonnaise?
You told me
and
about
I
it.
you
gotta
some.
Get me some.
I forgot.
All right. Cheers, Tony. Cheers.
To you. Thank you. Oh, meatloaf.
Give it a try.
Yes, I'm already like. Let me get it.
That's so good. That's good.
This is good for. That's real good.
It is good.
I
know it's good.
When I'm not talking, folks, you mean you know I found something. In an hour and 15 minutes, you can be eating.
Yeah, so good. Oh, yeah.
I love it. Come see Michelle.
And,
Local
and
flavor.
go see Clay Cooper Theater. And
Yes.
Clay Cooper at the Clay Cooper. Every show there is great.
It's amazing. We
So,
have a
yeah.
fun
I
house
hope
just
you
right
have-
down the street.
Yeah, I hope you have a fantastic Friday.
I'm going to.
Everybody have a fantastic Friday, and
And a
we'll
great
see ya.
weekend.
Yes.
Yes.
See ya.
Bye. See you again.
Okay.
Yes, this
you
is
like
marvelous.
it? Good. Mmm.